wants one last pet.
Well, you could ask him.
I don't know.
Yeah, I think you're right. Let's see. Romeo, you want one last pet? Romeo, look. So is the fluff going away or is it staying there?
It's staying.
Okay, so that means yes. He wants one last pet. You're a good boy. Okay. Fluff going away or staying there?
Staying.
Good. Good job, Evie. See?
Oh,
Good
he
boy,
really likes it.
Romeo. Good boy.
He's very pretty.
Yes, he's a good boy.
The feathers feel so good. Like, especially the tops. They feel like, I don't know, like cotton candy, but not sticky.
Good boy, Romeo. What do you say? Romeo.
What do you say?
What do you say?
What do you say?
What do you say, Romeo? Good.
Good boy.
What do you say? Good.
Good boy?
Good. Good boy.
Oh,
Yes, you're such a good boy. You're such a good
Lily
boy.
is getting lonely now.
Lily, you want to come over? Good boy. Romeo's being such a good boy. Such a good
Lily?
boy.
Romeo? Is it going or? I think it's staying. Does he like it?
Yeah, he likes it.